How to fix Facebook Messenger logout problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll until you find Messenger and then click on it like this. Click on this for stop right here and then go to the storage. Click on clear cache and clear data like this. After you finish, go back to the settings, click on wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this tutorial.